Hello friends, in today's video we're going to be doing a puncture repair on this tire. It's got two punctures. We can clearly hear the hissing noise, and there we go, that's where the air is leaking out from. Right, so we're going to use a puncture repair kit to fix this puncture. Okay, so we're going to insert this sleeve in. So before we insert this rubber sleeve, we're going to apply some rubber cement on it. There we go. So now we're going to push this sleeve in with a special tool, and now we're going to cut it with the Stanley knife. Just going to fill it up with more air. So we're just going to look for a puncture leak. As I mentioned, it's got another leak as well. There we go. Just gonna point out where the nail is. So that's our second puncture on the same tire. We're just gonna pull the nail out. So we're just gonna insert this spike in. This spike has got built-in file on it. So now we're gonna slide the second sleeve in. There we go. That's that done. Just gonna twist it and pull that tool out. Now we're gonna cut it with Stanley knife. Just gonna check for the leak again. Everything is okay. So we're just gonna put the wheel back on, and there you go, job done. Thank you very much for watching the video.